Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with Google Keep. Basically, Google Keep is a note-taking service developed by Google. It is available for free as web tool and also as a mobile application. The greatest benefit of using Google Keep is that we can capture images, we can do audio note, can edit, share and collaborate with others. Let's get into the video. First of all, I'll explore the mobile application, then I'll come back to the web tool. Go to Play Store and install Google Keep. The app looks like this. Open the application and do a long vertical swipe so that you can refresh all the contents. In the right top corner, you can see the account which got linked with Google Keep. And this is grid view. You can rearrange your items. And in the left side dashboard, you can see these options like notes, reminders, labels. You can create more number of labels to categorize your content, and you can archive, and this is the recycle bin. And settings, you can do settings like when these reminders should pop up. All these things you can edit. And now let me show you how to create a note. Click on this plus icon and mention a title and in notes. And to undo and redo, you can use these icons. And if you want to add any additional stuff like images and all, click on the plus icon so that you can see take photo, add image from your drive or your phone. You can draw something and then even you can save that one. You can add recordings and tick boxes. And in the top corner you can see set as reminder. You can set this one as a reminder or else even can pin this one. And simply click go back. It will get auto saved here. You can see this. And to change the color, hold the note and then in the top you can see these options and pin. The second one is reminder and the third one is to change color. I'm going to change this color, yes, like this. To delete any particular note, hold the note and in the top you can see these options. Click on this and select delete. It will get deleted. It will be moved to your recycle bin. Fine. Now what if you want to create a groceries list? And in the bottom you can see these options like a tick mark. This is for preparing a checklist, and the next one is drawing, and the third one is recording a voice note, and the fourth one is to take a picture and choose images and all. Let's create a groceries list by using this check box. You can add a title, shop, and I'm gonna add list of items like egg, chicken, and yes, so these three items. And once you are in shop, then you want to do a checklisting of all these items. Then what you can do is you can simply click here. If you have bought this, if you have taken this in your bag, then you can click on this. So this is how we can, so 3 ticked items, so which means that you have purchased all these three items. That's it. So you can go back, so you can see the saved item over here. So if you don't want to miss any items, you can use this checklist. It is very helpful. This application is very fast, and all these things will get synced automatically into your drive, so that even if you open a web tool, let me show you that also. I'll open a web tool now and then you can see all these synced items there in my web tool. So to use this web tool, you have to log on to keep.google.com and you can see all the options which we have seen in the mobile application. And in the right top corner you can see the account which got linked with this, the same account it should be, so that you can see all the updated information which we have done in the mobile phone. You can see this list which just now we have created using a mobile application. So everything got updated here. Hope you liked this video and try this application and let me know your views. Thanks for watching the video.